Hey, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how beginners can use Claude AI to, start making money online. It's easier than you think, and yeah, you don't need to be a tech wizard. First, go to the Claude AI website and create your free account. You'll just need an email and password, or you can sign up with Google. Once you're in, you're ready to explore. Next, check out the chat interface. Claude AI can answer questions, write scripts, summarize content, and even help with emails or product descriptions. Basically, anything text-based that can save you time. Here's where it gets fun. Use Claude AI to create content you can sell. For example, blog posts, social media captions, ebooks, or even freelance copywriting. You can also use it to brainstorm business ideas or automate customer messages. Finally, take what Claude AI creates, polish it if needed, and post or sell it. You can offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own website. The key is consistency. Use Claude AI to speed up your workflow. And that's it. With Claude AI, beginners can start creating content and earning online without spending hours stuck on tasks. Give it a try and see what works best for you. For